How to export video as MP4 in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to export your finished video in CapCut for PC with the correct settings. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here I'm in the main dashboard of the CapCut, and let's say your video is ready to go. And here is my example. And here to export it, just go to the top right corner and simply click export. And after that, let's walk through the settings. So here on the file name, you can change it to whatever you want. So here I will call this animation. And after that, to save location, you can click the folder icon and choose a place that's easy to find, like downloads. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply set the resolution to match your original video. So here I will leave it at 1080p. And here you can keep the bitrate, codec and frame rate consistent with your project. And if needed, you can change the format from MOV to MP4, which seems to be more universal. And here you can make sure that your audio is checked. If it's not, the export will have no sound. And once you're done with everything, just click on export again and CapCut will start rendering your video. And after that, it may ask if you want to upload to TikTok or YouTube. I usually skip that, so instead you can simply click open folder once it's done, and you will see two files, your video and an audio file. You can double click on video to preview it, and that's it. Now you know how to export video properly in CapCut for PC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.